Hey there tech fans, Rick here again from the OREI team with an overview of the UHDS-102 1x2 HDMI splitter. This product makes it really easy for you to take a single media stream and display it on two high-resolution monitors at the same time. The product fully supports 4K ultra-high definition media content at up to 60 frames a second and is both HDMI 2.0B as well as HDCP 2.3 compliant, which means it's plug-and-play compatible with all of your modern media gear. The unit also provides EDID management so you can easily match the frame rate, resolution, and audio style of your input media with your output displays. Now, as part of this review, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing of the product just to show you everything that's included with the kit. And then I'll take a closer look at the unit and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand how to use it. I'll list the features and functions this product provides, and then I'll come back and do a short demonstration to show you just how easy this product will be to use with your own equipment. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first open up the box, you'll find the 1x2 splitter, nice metal case, very durable product, incredibly easy to use. You'll also find a single 5-volt 1-amp DC power supply. You can plug this into any standard wall outlet. The other end has a barrel connection on it which plugs into the back of the unit and provides all the power you'll need for operation. Finally, a full instruction manual is also included that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and a lot of other really good information about the product that you'll need to understand in order to use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the unit, I'll list the features and functions, and then I'll come back and do that demonstration. The OREI UHDS-102 is a really small unit, and it features a full metal enclosure which makes it incredibly durable and really helps to minimize outside interference from causing any issues with the sensitive electronics inside. On the front of the unit, starting on the left, is an EDID switch, and that allows you to adjust the frame rate, resolution, and audio style of your media content to match your monitors. Normally you leave that in standard, but you can flip it over to TV if needed to change the EDID settings to match your output displays. To the right of that is a power port. That's used with the included power supply. You'll simply plug that power supply into any standard wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it which plugs in right there and provides all the power you'll need for operation. To the right of that is a full-sized HDMI port labeled input. This connects to whatever media device you'd like to share the content from with your two monitors. And when you make that connection, the cable is checked, and once that connection has been verified, that LED will come on, letting you know you have a solid connection. On the rear of the unit are two more full-sized HDMI ports labeled Output 1 and Output 2. These connect to the two monitors you'd like to display the content on from that media device you've connected on the front. And again, you'll find two more LEDs here. Those will indicate a solid connection to both monitors. Under normal operation, both of these LEDs should be on, as well as this one, indicating good connections to all of your media equipment. And that's pretty much it for the product. The OREI UHDS-102 is compatible with most modern HDMI media sources, including game consoles, media players like Apple TV, streaming devices, digital projectors, and computer systems. The product's features include full support of 4K ultra-high definition media content. It provides a single HDMI input and dual HDMI outputs for connection to your equipment. It is both HDMI 2.0B as well as HDCP 2.3 compliant. It offers full CEC support between the input and output connections and provides a full EDID management for matching the frame rate, resolution, and audio style for your equipment. Now I'll show you the connections you'll need to make to use this product with your own equipment. And for this demonstration, over here I've set up a small media player that's currently looping a video on this monitor, and that's the media content I'd like to share across these two monitors. Over here I've set up two additional monitors. These are the output displays that I'd like to view that media content on. In front of me, I have the UHDS-102. Now the first connections I'll make are from the media player and the original monitor directly to the unit. I'll disconnect the HDMI cable and plug that into the HDMI input port in the front of the unit. And now I'm ready to connect the two external monitors. I have two more high-speed HDMI cables connected to those, and I'll plug those into the two output ports, Output 1 and Output 2. The only thing we're missing at this point is power, and I've already plugged in the power supply. The other end of that cable has a barrel connection on it, which plugs directly into the power port on the front of the unit. And the minute I do that, it starts an internal power on self-test where it's checking the electronics. It's also checking the resolution of the media device and the resolution of the monitors to make whatever adjustments are needed to give you the best possible picture. And there you go. So what you're viewing here is media content from that small media player that's actually been split using the splitter into two output streams, one for each of the two monitors. And it's just that simple to get it working. I hope you found this overview of the OREI UHDS-102 1x2 HDMI splitter helpful. This product provides an incredibly easy way for you to distribute the same media stream to two monitors at the same time in full 4K ultra high definition resolution. The product fully supports that 4K media content at up to 60 frames a second, so you're going to have crystal clear images on both those monitors. It's also HDMI 2.0B as well as HDCP 2.3 compliant, which means it's compatible with all of your modern media gear and a wide range of different file types. The unit also provides EDIG control, which allows you to match the frame rate, resolution, and audio style of your media content to both of your monitors. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections, you can be up and running in no time. So until next time, thanks again for watching.